أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Sha'ban. Sha'ban is the 8th month in the Islamic Hijri calendar. According to the moon sighting on the last day of Sha'ban, Muslims decide when the first day of Ramadan will be. Sha'ban is an important month as Muslims begin preparing themselves for the month of Ramadan. Let's understand the virtue of fasting in Sha'ban in the light of Hadith. Anas bin Malik reported that Prophet Muhammad was asked, "Which fast is the most admirable after the fasting of Ramadan?" Prophet Muhammad replied, "Fasting of Sha'ban in honor of Ramadan." Basically, fasting in Sha'ban is like mental, physical, and spiritual training for fasting in Ramadan. One may struggle when they start the fast in Ramadan, but if they start fasting a few days earlier, meaning in Sha'ban, their body gets used to fasting, and the person does not feel tired in the first week of Ramadan. It was narrated from Salama that the Prophet would not fast any month of the year in full except Sha'ban, and he used to join it to Ramadan. It was narrated that Aisha said, "The Messenger of Allah did not fast in any month of the year more than he did in Sha'ban. He used to fast all of Sha'ban." Usama ibn Zayd narrated, "I said to the Prophet, 'O Messenger of God, I did not see you fasting in any month as you do in the month of Sha'ban.' The Prophet said, 'People neglect this month, which is between Rajab and Ramadan. In this month, the actions of the people are presented to God. So I like my deeds to be presented while I am fasting.'" The Prophet ﷺ did not appoint any specific day or time for such voluntary fasts. But whatever a person does must be done enthusiastically, with ease, and to seek Allah's pleasure. We should balance between the days that we fast and the days we do not fast from Sha'ban. We don't want to overdo it so that we become weak and have to miss the fard fasts. We must also remember that anyone who has missed obligatory fasts has to make them up before the next Ramadan comes. It is not allowed to postpone it until after the following Ramadan, except if there is a valid excuse. The person needs to ask forgiveness from Allah and needs to feed the poor for each day that is missed. Besides fasting, one should also make possible efforts to maximize good deeds in Sha'ban, such as the recitation of the Holy Quran, giving sadaqah, and helping poor people. It is mentioned in Al-Bukhari and Muslim, "By night and by day, the angels follow each other in visiting you. They gather before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala at the time of the morning and evening prayers. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala asks those who spend the night among you, and He knows best the answer. In what state did you leave my servants?" They say, "We came to them while they were praying, and we departed from them while they were praying." There's a misconception related to the 15th night of Sha'ban, also known as the night of records, or Laylat al-Barat. However, there is no sound hadith indicating the virtue of this night, and all the reported hadith in this virtue are fabricated or made up. It is an ordinary rite and has no special prayer for it. Associating an act of worship with the 15th of Sha'ban is an innovation in the religion. In all, we must encourage each other to fast as much as possible during the month of Sha'ban. By doing so, we will gain hasanat and be in the best spiritual state to welcome the holy month of Ramadan. May Allah give all Muslims the strength to use these days as a preparation for the great Ramadan and grant us the opportunity to perform good deeds. Insha'Allah. Allah knows the best.